Hi guys, and welcome back. In the second part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to exchange from BNB into AdaBoy. So in the last video, if you haven't watched that, I actually showed you how to get this set up. So just make sure to watch that one. So very simple process. We need to go to pancakswap. This is pancakswap.finance, and then you have to click on this area called exchange. So let us just quickly do that again. And over here, I'm going to refresh the screen. And over here, you can see the balance is loading, and I have 0.0219726. So what I can do is I can select max, and this selects the maximum amount that I can exchange. And over here, I want to exchange into AdaBoy. So I'm going to click on AdaBoy. And then this selects the amount that I can exchange, and I click on swap. Now, most cases, you might notice an error. Let's just click on this. You'll see this. The transaction cannot succeed due to an error execution. So what you need to do is you need to increase your slippage. And the slippage that I've seen that works with this is anything from 12 to 14%. So let us try 12%. I'm going to increase this to 12%. And then I just click out of this. And that is changed. You see here slippage tolerance is 12%. Click on swap. Most probably this will also give me an error. Okay. And most of the cases, 14% has worked. So let us select 14. Whoops, 14 slippage. Quickly go back. You see that we've selected slippage 14. Double check that we're converting from BNB to AdaBoy. Click on swap. And now click on confirm swap, and this should go through. You see here's now connecting to MetaMask here on the right. And I will click on confirm. So now what this does is the transaction has been completed. I click on close. And what this does is it then transfers or converts the BNB to AdaBoy. So if I come back here, you see that I get a confirmation transaction. And you see there I now have AdaBoy in my wallet. So really, really simple way of converting your BNB into AdaBoy. And what you'll notice is the AdaBoy, once you have AdaBoy, you'll be also noticing this ADA also start increasing. So what it does is that you'll be earning residually on the amount of AdaBoy. So the more AdaBoy you have, the more ADA you will also have. Okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll be including a link in this video. Let me just quickly open that up and see if I have that. No, I do not, but I've included it already. It will be a way of actually finding the back end of this AdaBoy and just seeing exactly how much crypto you have in AdaBoy. That's just sort of like a dashboard that you can open in your browser. And what I'll do is I'll also include that in the description box below. It's really simple. You just click on it and you connect it to your wallet, and you'll be able to also see how much AdaBoy is being converted into ADA. It's a really nifty tool as well, if you need it, of course. Okay, so I'll also include a link below this description on a way on how to get started with SwapIt. Really awesome community. If you're watching this in December of 2021, I highly recommend getting started with it so that you can get AdaBoy airdropped tokens to your wallet in December 2021. Okay, so I hope that video was useful. And the last tip I can give from my side is never deplete your BNB resources. Always keep a little bit of BNB in case you ever need to switch between tokens. Okay, so that's all from me. Have a nice one, and I will see you guys in the next video.